Well, welcome back to James' Little Homestead. We're out here feeding and watering the animals, so we figured we'd bring you guys along with us. Yep, we'll get these old chickens fed. Go out here and feed the goats. Man, these allergies been kicking my butt this year. What do you think, babe? Yeah, it's warm. Yeah, let us know where you guys are from and how hot it is. Leave it down in the comments if you guys would. It's been miserable hot out here in Oklahoma, or northeast Oklahoma. What do you think, Doc? Or Doc? James? What's up, Billy? Or Junior? Move. Yeah, get them some more water. But yeah, the wife, she was mowing yesterday and she has the worst luck. The mower broke down on her. This time it's pretty bad. It could have happened to me or her. I'll take you guys out here in a little bit and show you all. I'll get that bucket and I'll water the goats for you. Here's the bucket, babe. Yeah, you have the worst luck mowing, don't you?
I do. Well, on me.
Yeah, every time she knows something breaks.
No, it's an old mower though. It's like 9 years old.
Yeah, it is 9 years old.
No.
Yeah, the poor girl, every time she knows something breaks, but every time I mow it, don't.
But you got allergies.
Yeah, I got bad allergies this year. I'm still fighting them. I've had shots and everything else.
There you go.
Thank you, babe. Yeah.
Alright.
So we get out here and water these goats, and then I'll take you guys out there and show you the mower. Yeah, like I said before, it's been miserable hot here in northeast Oklahoma. Get out here early and do our chores before it gets hot. I'm gonna set you guys down for a second. Well, I got the goats in fresh water, and man, these goats, man, they're like hogs. But yeah, we need to move this pen over and let them eat some of this brush over here now. All right, let me take this bucket back up here, and I'll take you guys over and show you that lawnmower. What do you think, Doc? All right, I'll take you guys out here and show you the mower. There's the old ducks. But yeah, me and Maverick's been talking. He's wanting to start our own channel, Maverick and Papa's Outdoors. But let me know what you guys think about it. He wants to do some fishing and camping and make some videos of that. So, well, here's the old lawnmower. It's like she said, it's like 9 years old. But yeah, she was mowing and quit moving. And yeah, broke that bracket from here. And where's that other part? Down there. And it holds these two axle things together. But when it broke, this tire was all the way up to here. And then it made the drive belt snap. But we'll order a new bracket and get it back on there. Like I said, she has the worst luck. Every time it breaks, it's always her using it. I feel bad. But yeah, I don't think it'd be too hard to fix. Get that part ordered and get it going again. It's been a good mower. So, anyways, let me check for eggs, babe. Or is it too early? Too early? But I figured we'd bring guys along this morning. Get out here while it's nice and cool and get our chores done. Boy's a pretty rooster. But yeah, let us know what you guys think about me and Bubby starting our own little channel. He's excited about it, but I haven't decided if I want to or not. But, all right, we'll catch you guys on the next video.